Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddstamps.com, and today I'm here just to give you a short little brief tutorial on how to figure out how to find what's unavailable as far as back orders from Stampin' Up! And how to sign up to get an email when those products come back in stock. I had a customer yesterday ask me about the Sunflower 3D embossing folder, which seems to come into stock, and it's gone. But however, if you sign up, if that's an item that you want, and I'll show you here in a minute, you can sign up for an email, and as soon as it's back in stock, you will get that email so that you know it's time to order. So it's like the Everyday Arches, and the 3D embossing in Sunflower is crazy. So let me switch to my screen, and I'm going to screen share as if I were a customer so that you will be able to see exactly what I'm doing here. So all right, so what you're going to do is you're going to, let me fiddle around here a little bit, move some things around so I can actually get in there. All right, so you're going to come into your account. So I'm signed in as if I'm a customer, and I'm going to go to menu, and I'm just going to follow it down. Let me scoot some stuff. I got too many things open here. Sorry about that. To shop products. Shop all. And once I'm on this screen, I can go ahead and scoot down here to the filter and filter for what currently is unavailable. And it will pop up everything that is on back order right now for Stampin' Up. And then if you want to get notified, so let's go down to the, here we go, Everyday Arches. I better look for that Sunflower, it might be back in stock. Oops. Sorry about that. I got too many windows open. All right, so let's just do the Everyday Arches. This one here. So every day it says it's currently unavailable. You put your email into this box here, and you click that you are okay getting notified by Stampin' Up, and then you click this, and you will get a notification. You'll get an email saying you signed up, like right now, and then you'll get an email when that item comes back in stock. So it's pretty easy to keep track. As demonstrators, we can kind of have a date. That was the thing that the customer had contacted me about, was when do you suspect that this will be back in stock? And so we have a date. Oh yeah, there's that Sunflower 3D embossing folder. So again, you view it, you put your email in here, and if you're signed into your account, your email will automatically populate into that box, and then hit that, and then notify me. So it's super, super easy. I love that.